Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream, which you can use daily in the morning and or evening or whenever you feel the need. And this cream is suitable for normal to dry to very dry skin. And when using it for the first time in the morning, make sure that you're going to apply it on clean skin. So the first step should be washing your face with a suitable cleanser for your skin type and needs. So in this case, we're looking into cleansers that are suitable for normal to dry skin to remove any impurities, and that you're making sure that you will end up with a freshly washed and clean face, and then you're going to apply CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream afterwards. And when it comes to your evening routine, just before going to bed, again, please make sure that you're going to get started with washing your face with a suitable cleanser. Now, in this specific case, depending on if you're wearing sunscreen and or makeup throughout the day, you may need to change the cleanser. If that's not the case, you're fine to stick to your daily cleanser that you use in the morning as well. However, if you should have stubborn sunscreen or makeup that won't easily remove with your usual daily cleanser, then either look into micellar water at first and then move on to your usual cleanser, or look into a balm cleanser to break down everything in one go, and then you're moving on to the application of your moisturizing cream. This way you're making sure that you're going to apply it on clean skin when using it as your facial moisturizer. Now I'm going to show you now a step-by-step application on my face as well, so that you can see it visually. And so I'm going to get started with the first step, which is washing the face with a suitable cleanser for your skin type and needs. So in this example, I'm going to stick to CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser, which is great for normal to dry skin. And if you should have a different one, then please make sure to read the directions on the back of the packaging to make sure that you know how you can properly use your cleanser. Do you need to apply it on dry or on wet skin? This can usually change depending on the cleanser that you're using. Now, if you're using your personal cleanser, then go ahead and use that one as long as it works well for your skin type as well as for your skin in general. Your cleanser should not irritate your skin, nor should it dry out the skin. So you want to make sure that it feels comfortable on the skin when washing your face. And so in this specific case, with CeraVe's Hydrating Cleanser, I need to apply it on wet skin. So in that specific case, I'm going to now wet my face and neck with lukewarm water to warm water at first, and then I'm going to use a small amount of the cleanser and then massage it onto the skin. So let's go ahead and do this. Then I'll use about 1 to 2 pumps, so about a coin-size amount of your cleanser in the palm of your hand. Use it between your hands and now gently massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds to a minute. Please make sure to read on the directions if you can use your cleanser around the eyes or if you should avoid the eye area. And make sure to not get it into your eyes. So, and once you have massage cleanser all over your face and neck, you now can go ahead and again rinse it off with lukewarm water to warm water. Now, in case you should have troubles removing the cleanser properly from the skin, you can go ahead and use a fresh and soft washcloth in between, which you can wet. And this can help you to remove the cleanser a bit better. So now go ahead and take a fresh towel and pat the skin damp. Now once you're done with washing your face, you can immediately move on to the next step, which is applying CeraVe's Moisturizing Cream to your face. Now there are two ways on how you can get some product out and then apply it to the skin. The first one would be basically just taking some cream out with your fingers by just dipping into the product. Or if you're being concerned about bacteria, then you can go ahead and use a little spoon or spatula as well. Just make sure that you're going to use a clean spoon or clean spatula before dipping into it. The same would apply for your fingers. Make sure that you have washed your hands, or while washing your face anyways, you're going to clean your hands at the same time, so that you're making sure that you're going to dip into it with clean hands. And there's no right or wrong, it's more about personal preference. And so when applying now the cream to the skin, either with a spatula or spoon or with your fingertips, then the amount matters as well depending on your skin type. So if you have normal skin, you probably do not need as much moisturizer as someone with very dry to extreme dry skin. And so if you have normal skin, you may just want to dip into it once so that you have about a pea-sized amount, more or less, and then evenly apply a thin layer all over. However, if you're suffering from dry to very dry skin, then you probably want to use a bit more of it so that you have an even thicker layer all over to protect the skin, so that it feels a bit more comfortable, that it gives you a relief and still moisturizes the skin. So please adjust the amount accordingly to your skin type. Now when dipping into with your fingers, you can use 1 or 2 fingers and then use it between your hands and then evenly apply it all over your face and neck. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. If that should be the case, please rinse it with clean water. And you can use it on the eye contour, but please avoid getting it on top of your eyelids. If you should have sensitive eyes, please make sure to avoid the eye area so that no irritation will occur. And then go ahead and evenly apply it all over your face as well as neck. So, and once you have applied it all over your face and neck, you're going to leave it as it is. There's no need to wash it off. And so this is how you can properly use CeraVe's moisturizing cream. And I do hope that you enjoyed this video and that you find it helpful. And if you did so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Happy skin caring. Bye!